Good morning, all. This is reasoning class of grade 8, and this is our lecture number 2. Dear children, the topic which I am going to cover in this lecture number 2 is choosing the analogous pair. And based on this given topic, I shall discuss the assignment solutions which I have given you as homework. So let us get started now with the introduction part of this, choosing the analogous pair. So, the topic is choosing the analogous pair. Dear children, in these types of questions, a pair of words is given followed by 4 pairs of words as alternatives. So, like a pair of words is given in the question, followed by 4 pairs of words as alternatives, and we are supposed to choose the pair in which the words bear the same relationship to each other as the words of the given pair bear. So we need to identify first the relationship between the given pair of words. Then on the basis of the same relationship, we need to choose the best alternative. So I'm going to discuss now the assignment solutions. So this is question number 1 of the assignment, chalk blackboard. And as I told you that first of all, a pair of words is given to us, followed by 4 pairs of words as alternatives. These are the 4 alternatives given to us. We need to find out first the relationship between the given pairs of words and then the best alternative among all these 4 options. So, just as chalk is used to write on a blackboard, so also ink is used to write on a paper. Here the option is paper. So, just as chalk is used to write on a blackboard, so also ink is used to write on a paper. So, the answer of question number 1 is C option, that is ink, paper. This is question number 2 now. Interrupt, speak. And these are the 4 options: shout, yell, intrude, enter, concede, defend, interfere, assist. First of all, let us understand the relationship between interrupt and speak. Interrupt means not to let someone speak. So it is the opposite of this word speak. So it means they are antonyms. Interrupt means not to let someone speak. So it is the opposite of the word speak. From all these 4 options, we need to find out the antonym. Shout and yell, they are synonym, they have same meaning. Intrude, enter. The meaning of intrude is to enter without permission. Enter is to come or go. Concede means to admit that something is true. Defend is to protect somebody or something. Interfere and assist. Assist is the opposite of interfere. So the correct option is D option. Assist is the opposite of interfere, and we have seen that these are also 2 opposite words. They are having opposite meanings. They are antonyms. So we will go with the D option. I hope this question is clear to you. Let us talk about now third question. Agenda, meeting. And the 4 alternatives are program, function, performance, ticket, map, scale, footnote, and article. So we need to understand the relationship between agenda and meeting. The relationship is agenda contains the details of the meetings. Agenda contains the details of the meeting. So out of these 4 options or 4 alternatives, we can identify very easily that program contains the details of the function. Like agenda contains the details of the meeting, so program contains the details of the function. So we will go with the very first option, that is A option. Question number 4 is knife, chopper, walking, fitness, swim, float, scissors, cloth, quilt and blanket. So we need to understand the relationship between knife and chopper. as it is quite clear that both knife and chopper are used for the same purpose, that is cutting. So we need to find out the best alternative which suits this relationship. Walking fitness, swim float, scissors cloth, quilt and blanket. So as a knife and chopper both are used for the same purpose, that is cutting, quilt and blanket are used for the protection from cold. So we'll go with D option. So question 4 answer is D option, that is quilt is to blanket, because quilt and blanket both are used for the protection from cold. Question number 5 is yawn, boredom, anger, madness, dream, sleep, smile, amusement, impatience and rebellion. So these are the 4 options given for yawn and boredom. We need to understand the first relationship between yawn and boredom. As yawn indicates boredom, similarly smile indicates amusement. So question number 5 answer is C option. As yawn indicates boredom, similarly smile indicates amusement. So we will go with C option for question number 5. Question 6 is badminton court, and the 4 alternatives are hockey stick, cricket bat, skating ring, football goal. First of all, for this badminton court, the relationship is badminton is a game which is played in a court. Court. Let us talk about the other options. In hockey game, we use stick. Cricket, we use bat. But skating is being done in a rink. Like the relationship given to us in the question is badminton is a game which is played in a court. So skating is done in a rink. So C option is the best option for question number 6. So for question number 6, the option or the correct answer is C option. Question number 7 is dusk, night, and the 4 options are afternoon, evening, infant, child, walk, run, day, light. So dusk is basically the time before night when it is not yet dark. It is basically the time before night when it is not yet dark. So we need to find the same relationship. Afternoon, evening, they do not bear the same relationship. Let us talk about infant and child. So obviously infant is the initial stage of the child. Walk, run, day, light, these are all different options. So we will go with infant, child, because they bear the same relationship as dusk and night. Let us talk about now question number 8. Triangle, hexagon, and the options are cone, sphere, rectangle, octagon, pentagon, heptagon, angle, quadrilateral. So first of all, understand the relationship between triangle and hexagon. So dear children, in triangle the number of sides are 3, in hexagon the number of sides are 6. So number of sides in hexagon is twice that in the triangle. Number of sides in the triangle are 3, in hexagon there are 6 sides. So number of sides in hexagon is twice that in the triangle. So let us see which option best suits this relationship. Cone, sphere, we do not find this relationship. Rectangle, octagon. In rectangle number of sides are 4, in octagon number of sides are 8. So this can be the correct option. Pentagon number of sides are 5, heptagon number of sides are 7. So they do not bear that relationship. Angle, quadrilateral. So we will also not go with this option. So the best option or the correct option is rectangle, octagon, as it bears the same relationship as it is between triangle and hexagon. So for question number 8, the correct answer is B option. Question number 9 is pesticide, plant, injection, disease, vaccination, body, medicine, cure, teacher, student. So what is the relationship between pesticide and plant? So dear children, pesticide is meant to protect the plants from diseases. pesticides are used to protect the plant from the diseases. Let us see now which option is the best option for this relationship. Injection, disease. So there is no such relationship. Vaccination, body. So obviously vaccination is meant to protect the body from the diseases. Like the pesticides are meant to protect the plants from diseases, vaccination also protects the body from the diseases. So for question number 9, the correct answer is B option. Question number 10 is house, ceiling, and the 4 alternatives are hut, roof, building, floor, bed, bed sheet, grapes, wine. So the relationship between house and ceiling is the top part of the house. Ceiling is the top part of the house. So similarly, roof is the top part of the hut. Rest all other options do not bear the same relationship like building, floor, bed, bed sheet, grapes, wine. So the correct option for question number 10 is B option, as it bears the same relationship as it is between house and ceiling. So question number 10 answer is B option. For question number 10, the correct answer is A option. I spoke the correct option, but I marked the wrong option. So for question number 10, the correct answer is A option, as ceiling is the top part of the house. Similarly, roof is the top part of the hut. So for question number 10, the correct option is A option. So dear children, it's time for the homework now. You are supposed to complete this reasoning assignment in the homework notebook. If you have already completed it, please verify the answers. If you still have doubt, if you have not completed this assignment, please look at the solutions I have explained in the video lecture. So from there you can take help and complete this reasoning assignment. I hope you have understood all the concepts being taught in the reasoning assignment. Thank you so much.